In this video, we will show our workflow from an idea or an order to a 3D animation video. This process always has to be optimized to reach the highest effectiveness. Step 1. Privacy and briefing. In this step, the terms of privacy are getting clarified. Furthermore, the client illustrates the basic parameters of the project. These parameters contain important information like the length of the video, the goals, or the technical and informative content, for example. The client decides if the storyboard gets created by himself or by the animation. Step 2. Storyboard. Now the storyboard has to be written. It contains the single scenes, the audio, text, and sketches. The finished storyboard has to be released to cross over to the next step. Step 3. Audio. Now the audio files are getting recorded. These files set up the base of the video and they have to be released to continue with the next step. Step 4. Objects. The objects are getting created in a 3D software. CAD files save a lot of time in this process, if available. These objects need an approval of the client as well to move over to step 5. Step 3 and 4 are able to run parallelly. Step 5. Rough cut. The single scenes are getting animated roughly for providing the client an insight into what it could look like in the end. Step 6. Fine cut. The animation gets smoothed out and requests of the client are getting included. Also, the lighting and the camera are optimized in this step. Step 7. Finalization. The video gets finished and eventually transferred to the client. Thanks for watching. For further information, please visit our website or get in touch with us.